Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your speaker not working on SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII. Let's begin! So, as always, there are a couple of things that could have went wrong that would result in your speaker not work. First of all, it's very easy to see, but some of you couldn't really see it, that we have a Bluetooth device connected to our phone. So if we have any kind of Bluetooth device, no matter if it's like headphones or earbuds or whatever, by default the device is going to receive the audio and it will play it, resulting in your speakers being essentially useless. And as you can see, I have one earbud currently out of the box. I actually have no idea how this box is called, etui or whatever. Anyway, because we have one out of the box, this means that it's now connected to my phone. So now my audio is or would be rerouted, meaning that my speakers wouldn't play any audio. There isn't like a way to fix that, but universally I will just advise you to keep your Bluetooth off to make sure that you have no Bluetooth devices connected. Now you can test your speaker. But of course there is a possibility that it's still not working, and that's completely fine. Now let's check our volume levels. Let's click the volume buttons, it doesn't really matter which one. And then we can click three dots here. And now we can see every single volume bar ever. If for some reason you can't really access the volume buttons, we can always head there by going into the settings. And then we have to go into sound and vibration, and in here we can see the same things. As you can see, we technically have the ability to select what audio will be played on, so we can have connected Bluetooth device while using our speakers, but by default they automatically switch to the Bluetooth device, and I know very little amount of people who will actually manually try to change this. So disabling the Bluetooth is just easier. And now, if you have troubles with your speakers, you basically want to make sure that your media volume is high enough. Of course, now it's very loud, but if you have it set to something like this, then you will hear no audio, meaning that your speaker will kind of stop working. Kind of. It's just you don't really have any media volume. And as you can see, the moment you actually start bumping this up, you should start hearing sounds. However, if the sounds are muffled or if you hear them very badly, then you probably want to clear your speaker ports. Now, I would advise you to use like soft toothbrush, maybe wooden toothpick at best. But please, for the love of God, do not use anything metallic, so no needles, no pins, no whatever, because if you try to use these tools to clean the speakers, chances are you will probably do more harm than good, let's be honest here. So let's only stick with toothbrushes, maybe wooden toothpicks, and nothing else. And if you have already done all of that and it still doesn't work, I can just advise you to turn off your device. Like you can do that by going here and then going into restart. Thanks to that, your phone will restart, and whenever your phone restarts, you're not only restarting the software but hardware as well, including your speakers. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.